Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make another dish that is quick and easy. Lots of people grew up eating this in the Philippines, okay? It is called Ginisang Upo. Ginisa means stir-fried or sauteed, and Upo is this guy here. Alright, so for the Upo, you just want to peel it, which I've already done. And
you just want to cut the tops and the bottoms so you have a nice flat surface, and you cut straight in the middle.
Cut it in half and cut it in quarters, lengthwise.
And once you get to this, you can start slicing.
So that's how it should look like. Nice and thin, triangulars. Lots of people take the seeds out. I don't mind the seeds because they do soften nicely. Alright, so other than the Upo, I'm gonna use a mixture of shrimp and pork here. A very important ingredient for this recipe is some tomatoes, and I also got some chives here. It's garlic chives, okay, and it just adds a nice garlicky flavor. Some white onions that I just thinly sliced, okay, and some black pepper and fish sauce to taste. Alright, it's a quick dish, so let's begin. Alright, so first things first, we wanna cook out the tomatoes, okay? Let me just show you how my tomatoes look like now. Right there. Still on a high heat, okay? At this point, I'm just gonna add my pork and my onions. And just get this going until you start seeing the onions sauteed and translucent a bit. Alright guys, so after a few minutes, my onions are nice and soft, my tomatoes are all gone, okay? So the next step is just to add your Upo all at once and add your liquid. So today, because I'm gonna make this with shrimp, I'm gonna use some seafood stock, okay? If you don't have any, you can just use some water. It is frozen, it's from my freezer. And a little bit of fish sauce. I'm gonna start with about a tablespoon. So you wanna get this going for 30 minutes on medium heat, covered. And check the doneness of your Upo. Okay, it should look a little translucent, and when you bite into the Upo, there shouldn't be any resistance, okay? And that's when you know that it's done. And yeah, we'll be right back. Alright guys, so it's been about 40 minutes, okay? And this is where we're at. The Upo is nice and soft, the pork the same way. All the tomatoes and the garlic and the onions are nice and basically disintegrated. I've adjusted the seasoning. I'm gonna turn off the heat now, add my chives, and I'm also at this point going to add my shrimp. Now I added my shrimp off heat because it really just needs the residual heat to cook the shrimp, okay? And yeah, just leave this covered until you serve it. And that's it guys, nice and easy. It took about 15 minutes to finish everything, okay? It would have been faster if I didn't have my stock frozen, okay? Yeah, it's a very simple dish. You can even eat this on its own. Dunk some bread in it, eat it with some rice vermicelli, some steamed rice, really whatever you prefer. And I just want to say thank you for watching, and if you have any comments or questions, likewise, comment down below or follow me on social media, on Instagram, on Facebook. I'm also on Twitter, but I'm not tweeting a lot, okay? I only tweet when I have complaints about companies. So yeah, thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye.